So over here, you can see that I have this presentation right here. And let's say what I want to do is insert out a timeline image. So I can go ahead and manually import out image, but what I can also do is over here on the right hand side, you can see that there's stock and web right here. You can simply go ahead and click, and then what happens is that it opens up the stock image search panel right over here, just like this. So now what you can simply do is search for it. So it's loading. And this is what you have, as you can see right here. So let's just go ahead and search for timeline right here, just like this. And it shows you stock images, GIFs, stickers, as you can see right here, that you can use. And even you can see Google Images. So let's say I want this one, so you can go ahead and click, and that gets inserted right here. Or you can go ahead onto GIFs as well and insert out, let's say, for example, GIFs right here. For example, this one right here, just like this, or this one, which keeps on moving and is interesting, just like that. Let me just go ahead and delete it, go back. And then over here in stock images, you can see that you can go ahead and select the size as well and change this around according to how you want as well, just like this. But let me just go for medium size and horizontal right here, or maybe vertical right here as I want. So I'm just going to go around and say timeline, and that is what you have. So let's just go for horizontal right here, timeline, and let me remove out the quality setting right here, and you can see that this is what you have right here. And similarly, there's many different sort of images that pops up right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and then insert out images like that, stock images, directly right here in a straightforward manner inside of Google Slides. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.